I'm labeling a new socket rack that I made. And so I'm printing this out with a laser printer, and then I wanted to seal it with some lacquer or something like that. And so I tried several different types, and just wanted to show you my results. Might help you if you're ever doing something the same way. So this was the results with some Rust-Oleum acrylic lacquer, crystal clear. It kind of bled the letters and then pooled, made different shades. I wasn't real happy with the results with that one. This is a Krylon clear max coverage. It did the same thing, only worse. Let's see. There you go. Bled the letters quite a bit. It did a more even coverage. I like that part, but it made the letters bleed. So that didn't work either. Then I used a sanding shellac. Bullseye. It's a clear shellac. And I've used that before, and I actually like it. This is it right here. It doesn't bleed the letters. Gives a little bit more of a yellow finish. I like it. It's a matte finish. But the one I chose was this one, which is Minwax polyurethane. This is actually a semi-gloss. Where is it? Yeah, clear semi-gloss. And here's the results of that one. Gave me nice crisp letters, no bleeding, nice even coverage. And I would have used the shellac because it dries really fast over this, except, you know, you got to brush this on. If I'd had some spray, this would have worked really well, but the spray can of this stuff I think is like $9 or something, so I don't have any of it. But this I've used before and like it on, you know, different types of projects. Anyway, I hope that's helpful to you. Thank you for watching.